Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of b if we have b minus 1 to the power of 4 and its whole square root is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here the very first thing we are going to do is, here you see that we have exponent to the exponent. So we write this term as, so here we use this nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this exponential law, we multiply the square root and 4 here, and after multiplication of these two exponents, it will be written as b minus 1 to the power of 4, and it is multiplied by, we know about that, square, we write just a square root as power 1 over 2, and this is equals to 1. And further in the next step, you see here these are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we will get here b minus 1 whole square is equals to 1. And further in the next step, we need to solve this problem for all the values of p. So here for that, we move this one to the left hand side, and it will be written as b minus 1 whole square minus, this is plus 1. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus 1, and its whole square is equals to 0. And in the next step, here we need to simplify the terms, and here we use this nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this formula, we just write here our above equation as, and you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So here we just substitute the values of a and b into the below formula. So after substituting these values, we will get here the value of a is b minus 1, and this is minus b, the value of b is 1, into we have a plus b. So here our a is b minus 1 plus b is 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we have this is b minus, and minus 1 becomes minus 2, into here this plus 1 and this minus 1 are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here b only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step, we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b minus 2 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write b is equals to 0. So this is our first root of the given equation, and now here from this case we get the second root. So we move this minus 2 to the right hand side, and it will becomes here plus 2. So this is the second value of b, and further in the next step, we need to verify that is both of these two roots are solution, or both of these two roots are extraneous root. Further at the end, I can explain the term extraneous root. So for verification of the roots, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is square root of b minus 1 to the power of 4 is equals to 1. So here in this side we will be verify b is equals to 2, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to 0. So here first we just verify b is equals to 2, so that we substitute b is equals to 2 into the left hand side, and we check the behavior of this equation. So when we put b equals to 2 here, it will becomes 2 minus 1 to the power of 4 is equals to 1. And we know about that 2 minus 1 becomes 1 to the power of 4, and its whole square root is equals to 1. And we know that 1 to the power of 4 becomes 1 is equals to 1. So this shows that the value of b is equals to 2 is satisfied our given question statement, because both of the sides are equal. So it means that b equals to 2 be the solution of the given equation. And now here likewise we need to verify the second root here, and now we substitute b is equals to 0 into the left hand side, and after substituting this, it will be written as 0 minus 1 to the power of 4 and its whole square root is equals to 1. And we have 0 minus 1 becomes minus 1 to the power of 4 and its whole square root is equals to 1 or not. This is the our claim. And here you know about that when we have even exponent with base is negative, then our base will become 0 positive, so this negative sign becomes positive, and we have minus 1 to the power of 4 becomes plus 1 and its whole square root is equals to 1. And we know about that square root of 1 is equals to 1. So again you see that both of the sides are equal. So this means that the second value of b is equals to 0 is also satisfied our given question statement. So it means that both of the above values are satisfied our given question, so that we have the solution set of the given question is 0 and 2. So these two are be the solution set of the given question, and this is the our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.